KASPA, the best performing asset we have seen in the crypto space in the last year, right? In the past 12 months, KAS has been the best performing asset in the crypto space. In a sea of red, KASPA is green. The only one that's green, man. I'm telling you guys, you can't fade this. We're about to dive into it like we always do in the videos, guys. If you enjoy the content, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, turn on all notifications, share the video with your friends and family, and be sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss anything. From CureShot, you're correct, Anon. KAS is just another altcoin. A bit of sarcasm there from CureShot. As you guys can see in this sea of red, all of your favorite altcoins, right? With great use case, by the way. A lot of people use these projects and, you know, they have great utilities. I will not say they don't, but look at KASPA compared to all these other projects. Green in the sea of red. And that's why I'm saying, guys, KASPA is showing so much strength towards the rest of the market. I'm super bullish on KAS, and I really love the fact that I don't have to worry about no team dumping their tokens on me, man. I'm sick of it, man. With this, you know, they have this crazy vesting schedule where they have millions of dollars to unlock onto the market and just suppress the price, and it kills me every time, man. You ain't got to worry about that with KASPA, and that is one of the reasons I'm extremely bullish on KAS. Wave Jumper, the best performing digital asset in the last 18 months has been KAS. Well, I said 12 months. It's actually been the last 18 months. Look at this right here. 22,671% from its all-time low and minus 24.68% from its all-time high. The past 18 months in the crypto space, the best performing digital asset has been KASPA, right? Again, I said in the live streams, the only other project that went from nothing to $1 billion market cap was Pepe, which is a meme coin. And you see Pepe right now as a meme coin, what's it doing? Just falling in price, right? Now with KAS here, man. KAS is holding up as a great utility altcoin project. And again, I say it time and time again, you have to have KAS in your portfolio. Not financial advice. Crypto Chris, KAS has no competition. Bitcoin, 1 block every 600 seconds. Litecoin, 1 block every 180 seconds. Ethereum, 1 block every 15 seconds. Cardano, 1 block every 30 seconds. Solana, 1 block every 3 seconds. KASPA, 1 block every 1 second. And we will have 10 blocks per second very soon. Once that goes live, once the mainnet for that goes live, KASPA will achieve speeds like we've never seen before as a peer-to-peer payment system. And this is why I say KAS is accomplishing what Bitcoin's original use case was. That was Bitcoin's original use case, right? But because Bitcoin can't accomplish its, you know, what Satoshi created for it, because it has scalability and, you know, scalability and speed issues, right? We could see KASPA filling the role of what Bitcoin was. Now that Bitcoin is more of a store of value, KAS could be that digital payment system that Bitcoin was created for. From Ryan, damn, it feels good to be a KAS hodler. As you guys can see right here, we are at 20.06 PHS, hitting new all-time highs in the KASPA petahashes, right? And as you guys know, man, the more miners that are there to secure the network for KAS, the more difficulty and block rewards get reduced. You see what happens when there's halvings for Bitcoin. What happens every cycle? Bitcoin halving, huge increase in price. Every month there's a reduction in blocks or rewards for KASPA, right? So the mining difficulty increases every month, and that's why a lot of people don't know that, but that's pretty much another reason why KASPA's price action is so great, right? Because of the hash rate that keeps increasing, the price follows. It's basically like how Bitcoin has its halving every 4 years. The price explodes every halving. KAS is having a halving, technically a halving every month, right? Every month. So, again, super bullish, man. Extremely bullish. From Keeks, KAS BTC price discovery soon. First, 5-4 Benny. First new high against BTC. Then we smashed the USD all-time high, KAS. So KAS is literally about to make a brand new all-time high, as you guys can see from here, against the Bitcoin chart. The only asset in the space that is doing that right now, as we speak, man. Think about that, guys. That is insane and amazing. From AUJ, KAS, the Dagnite Protocol, a parameterless generalization of the Nakamoto consensus. Remember, 99% of cryptos are cut and paste white papers and roadmaps and nothing original. KASPA is new tech and doesn't run on the Ethereum network like all pump and dump tokens out there. All of these proof of stake token devs give themselves 70% of the tokens up front with no investment. I hate it so much. I hate it so much. All of the devs gives themselves 70% of the tokens up front with no investment and then dump them to retail wanting to get rich quick and then message it will boom again in the bull market. And that's precisely when they dump again. KASPA is a new future currency first. That's why there's so much promise. A real peer-to-peer proof of work and not some centralized proof of stake, which my bank already is. 8 thumbs up, 9 hearts. That is a beautiful write-up from AUJ. I really think people in the space need to wake up and realize, hey, let's stop funding these developers, man. Let's stop putting money into the hands of these developers that got huge vesting, got a huge amount of tokens that will be unlocked to the market, so they dump and enrich themselves, while us as the retail investors always get the short end of the stick when it comes to this space, man. And again, that's why I'm super bullish on KAS. With the decentralization, the token distribution, the coin distribution, and no team or venture capitalists to just have this huge amount of supply to dump on our heads, man. It's so refreshing. That's why KAS's color is green. It's green for refreshing, man. Oh my gosh. KAS right now sitting at 42 cent, $868 million in market cap, $18.8 million in 24-hour trade volume. As you guys can see, it is moving up again on the uptrend on the 7-day chart when everything else has been retracing. KAS is not backing down and it keeps pushing. Julian, KAS most bullish crypto yet, holding back, stacking more too. 8 thumbs up, 8 hearts for that. He got a nice little gift. He got his bags packed. He got his bags packed, guys. If you don't buy, you will regret it. And by the way, KDA investors, better sell the crap coin for KASPA, or you're gonna lose out on making a lot of money. Okay, sending shots at KDA, guys. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 man. Hilarious. Crypto Bank number 45 for KAS as its ranking. Damn impressive. 0.042 cent for KAS, man. I'm telling you guys, this project is a monster, and you will be hating yourself for fading KAS. Kaduna looks like a possible new all-time high for KAS in the coming days or weeks, catching up to the raging hash rate, which has constantly been making new all-time highs. And that's what we've been stating on the channel. KAS's price is now catching up to the raging new hash rate. If we take a look at TradingView, guys, look at that, man. From the last live stream that we had, KAS is breaking out of these resistances and flipping them to support, man. A lot of people are looking for the 3 cent, 2.8 cent KAS. Didn't come, man. It didn't happen. And like I said, we could just continue up from here after we break these resistances to retest the all-time highs at 5.1 cent. From Captain Sats, Filecoin uses a variant of Ghost called a tipset. See their website below. KASPA is founded by Sam Polinsky, who invented Ghost, which was also used by Vitalik Buterin in ETH and Gavin Wood in Polkadot. Their new protocols on KAS are just an the new protocols on KAS are just as innovative, right? And that's what I'm talking about here, guys. Like Filecoin, Polkadot, all of these projects use Ghost, which was created by Sam Polinsky. And now we have the next level up, the next step to all of that, which is Dagnite, right? Far beyond those previous protocols that these projects are using right now. Right here, as you guys can see, this is how they deployed smart contracts on Filecoin's virtual machine. These are the parent blocks and the uncle or orphan blocks, right? This is this straight line, as you guys can see, is a typical blockchain. DAG uses the orphan blocks, right? And that is how we get KAS with block DAG, and it even goes beyond that level. Uncle blocks, unlike Bitcoin, which uses a longest chain, Filecoin's consensus seeks to make use of much work as possible as a heaviest chain algorithm. And in the publication, right, of Filecoin, with the publication of secure high-rate transaction processing in Bitcoin, Sam Polinsky and Zohar in 2015, right? Idea of thinking that blockchains not as chains per se, but as directed acyclic graphs was popularized. One may look at the heaviest DAG or Ghost greedy heaviest observed subtree that with the most blocks. Filecoin is such a protocol, and this is what Filecoin uses now, Ghost, which is old technology created by Sam Polinsky, right? Ghosty protocols enable miners to refer back to all observed blocks from the past in order to lend their chain weight. Filecoin's consensus mechanism is built on a variation of this called tip sets. And I'm telling you guys, right? Filecoin, look at how successful Filecoin was with Ghost, right? Sam Polinsky's old work. His new work, which is way more innovative, way more, faster, built, way beyond Ghost, Phantom, and Spectre. Imagine what that will do, man, when mass adoption starts to take place for it. Caspians, thank you all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family. Appreciate all the support from the bottom of my heart. Tune into the live streams, become a channel member, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.